To find dividend stocks on Webull, follow these steps. Open the Webull app or desktop platform. Launch Webull and log into your account. Ensure you have the latest version of the app or desktop software to access all features. Navigate to the Markets tab. On the main dashboard, find the Market section, which offers various stock filters, including dividend stocks. Use the Stock Screener. Click on the Screener tool. This allows you to filter stocks based on different criteria. You can access the screener from the Markets tab on the app or platform. Set dividend yield criteria. In the screener, look for dividends or dividend yield under the filters. Set a minimum dividend yield based on your preferences. You can also filter by sector, market cap, or other metrics to refine your search. Review the results. The screener will provide a list of dividend-paying stocks that meet your criteria. Click on any stock to view details, including its dividend yield, payout history, and other relevant financial information. Save or monitor stocks. Once you find suitable dividend stocks, add them to your watchlist for future tracking or research.